When most people think about the Michelin brand, the first thing that comes to mind is their tires. You probably see them everywhere you go, whether it's on cars, trucks, or even bikes. They are the largest tire manufacturer in the world, and they make more than 190 million tires every year. Their tires are used by everyone from Formula One teams to your next-door neighbor. But have you ever wondered how these tires are made? In today's video, we will take a look at how Michelin makes their car tires, so get ready for an eye-opening experience. The layers are then impregnated with a rubber solution to hold them together and form a single unit. With the carcass and rubber compounds ready, it's time to start assembling the tire. This is done on large and complex machines called tire building machines. The tire building machine is the heart of the tire manufacturing process. It's a massive machine that looks like something straight out of a sci-fi movie. This machine is what puts all the pieces of the tire together and forms the tire as we know it. First, the tire builders build the tire by wrapping the steel belts and fabric around the wheel. Then the beads are added to the tire, which is essentially a metal ring that holds the tire onto the wheel. After that, the tire is inflated with air to check for any leaks, and if there are any, they are repaired immediately. Once the tire is leak-free, the excess rubber is trimmed off and the tire is ready for the curing process. The curing process is where the tire is heated to a precise temperature to cure the rubber and set its final shape. The tire is placed in a mold and then heated for several hours to ensure that the rubber is properly cured. This process is carefully monitored to ensure that the tire is not overheated or undercooked. Once the curing process is complete, the tire is removed from the mold and inspected for any defects. Any imperfections are immediately addressed to ensure that only the highest quality tires are shipped to customers. The last step in the tire manufacturing process is the finishing touches. This includes adding the sidewalls, tread, and any other markings to the tire. The sidewalls are added to protect the tire from damage and give it a finished look. The tread is added to provide traction and handling on the road. And other markings such as the tire size and load index are added to help consumers choose the right tire for their vehicle. These finishing touches may seem like small details, but they are crucial to the overall quality and performance of the tire. Sidewalls that are too thin or tread that is not deep enough can compromise the safety and handling of the tire. That's why Michelin has such high standards for this stage of the manufacturing process. At Michelin, sustainability is a top priority. They understand that making tires requires a lot of resources and energy, but they also know that they can make a positive impact on the environment by reducing their footprint. For example, Michelin has developed a new way to make tires that use less energy, which means fewer greenhouse gases are emitted during the manufacturing process. They also use recycled materials in their tires to reduce the need for virgin materials, which can be harmful to the environment. Additionally, Michelin has invested in research to develop new ways to extend the life of tires, which reduces the number of tires that end up in landfills. But it's not just about reducing waste and emissions. Sustainability is a core value at Michelin, and they believe that they can make a positive impact on the world by doing business in a responsible and sustainable way. Now let's talk about some interesting facts about Michelin tires. Did you know that Michelin tires are used by NASA to land spaceships on Mars? That's right. Michelin provided the tires for the Mars Science Laboratory, which landed on Mars in August 2012. The tires were designed to withstand the rough terrain and low-gravity conditions of Mars, and they performed flawlessly. Another interesting fact is that Michelin tires are used in the famous Monaco Grand Prix. The tires used in Formula One racing are specially designed by Michelin to withstand the extreme heat and G-forces involved in high-speed racing. These tires are made of a special rubber compound that can operate at temperatures of up to 250 degrees Fahrenheit. And they are subjected to rigorous testing to ensure that they can handle the demands of the racetrack. Overall, the manufacturing process of Michelin tires is a fascinating and intricate one. From the initial design and prototyping to the final assembly and finishing touches, each step is crucial in creating a tire that is safe, durable, and high-performing. At Michelin, they pride themselves on their ability to innovate and improve their tires, and it shows in the quality of their products. Whether you're driving a car, truck, or anything in between, chances are you've seen the Michelin logo on the tires. And now you know that behind that logo is a team of dedicated engineers, designers, and manufacturers who are passionate about creating the best tires possible. So the next time you see those iconic X's on a tire, take a moment to appreciate the craftsmanship and innovation that went into making them. That's all for today's video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. We would really appreciate it. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.